I get to work on the entrance now. I'll put it over here. This is a good spot. I'm gonna make a hidden entrance. Let's see. First, I need to build something that works as a door. Like this. And then this part. Right there. And this. Build the circuit. Yep, this is exactly what I imagined. This is going to be the entrance to the house, but you can't tell it's a door from the outside. I'll use an iron button since it blends in so well with the ports. It won't be easy to find the button if you don't know where to look in the first place. Now to cover the inside. Gotta fill that in.
Why?
There, that should do it for this part. It's a super secret entrance with a cool hidden door. Now it's time to focus on the interior. What should I build and prepare in the very unlikely event that someone breaks through the front door? Well, first things first, I need to be self-sufficient. So I'm going to build an indoor farm. Once the farm is finished, I'll have fresh produce always growing and ready. I can live here for a long time, no problem. I'm going to use dispensers filled with bone meal. This really helps indoor farms. I'll line them up like this along the side. Then, I'll fill in this row here with dirt. You know, security houses are built for when disaster strikes. When something like a zombie outbreak happens, I'll probably have to stay in here until it's safe to go back out. That's why I focus on being self-sufficient first. I don't want to worry about zombies and my next meal. Now I'll lay the redstone. Okay. Actually, I have an idea.
Manay.
I'm going to water the soil from below, like this. Now I'll fill some more dispensers with wheat seeds. I'll make a row of them.
This is a
I'll place
kitchen.
redstone dust on top of these, too. Okay, the first step is to place these levers on the side of the dispensers. I can flip these to plant a row of seeds. Then the other side needs to be triggered a few times, so the bone meal makes the farm grow wicked fast. Look! Instant fresh wheat. Awesome! My self-sufficient farm is complete. With that done, I won't need to worry about food for a long time. So, now it's time to move on to my next idea. I think I'll start working on the second floor. I'll use ladders to get up there. I think this spot is good. Then, here on top, I'll put a heavy-duty door latch. It feels more secure that way. Nice. That's done. Now I want to focus on designing and building. Let's see. I think I want to make a huge bedroom with poolside access. The first floor is for surviving. The second floor will be for thriving. I want it to be fabulous and extravagant. It'll be an escape from all the zombies outside. And then I'll curve it.
Naiingay na.
Meow. Why?
Nakautok man yun.
He wants to
Okay.
bang bang someone.
Oo.
Now we'll go back to this side.
Siguro kung pantao lang yung sabi.
I don't want a big
Ano
cube
yan?
sitting here. I'm
Palikero
trying
na
to
yun.
make the shape of the house interesting, so I'll line the edge with the white blocks. Kind of like this.
Chick boy.
Oh.
Siguro kwan, parokya yan sa magsaysay.
Ano? Magsaysay.
Oo. Maraming ba? Dito sa Caliente, dito sa Baguio City.
Just like
Sa
that.
magsaysay, maraming bar. Siguro may ganun.
Really? I
Oo.
don't know.
Ano ko kasi nakikita ko eh. Pero hindi pa nakakapasok sa isang kwan doon.
I'll
Parang
fill in the
Kung
floors
nakikita
here.
mo silang nagbebemba.
take niya. Nakarami nakikita ng mga kwan.
This is where I'll put my poolside bedroom.
Oh.
Pick
Okay,
up girl.
looking good. Now for the windows.
Papakit sa mga nagdaraan na
I'll
lalaki.
fill in the windows by hand.
Ganun sila dun sa may mga
I need to do the
overpass.
windows on the other side. You know,
May
now
ganun
that
nga
I'm
ako,
looking at it,
muntikan nga
I
ako
might
maganon
have
yung
built it
palengke.
too big. I think Mikey's
Oh.
gonna be
Grade
surprised.
9
Plus, I just
grade
wanted to
9 pa
build
ako.
something huge today.
Okay.
Oh, when you were still fat, Goldie.
Oo. Ang gusto mo.
There, finished. The windows are done. Finally, the last step is to build the roof of this house.
One night only.
Okay,
Sabi,
here comes the ceiling.
high school pa po ako, bata pa po ako.
Sabi mo yun?
Oo.
O tapos?
Ay, sabi niya. Ay, bata pa pala.
Really?
Oo.
You never told me that.
Grade 10 yun.
Concrete
Is it
fixturing. Nice.
Grade 10 pa
That
lang.
does it for the beautiful
Si
second
grade
floor.
9, kwan pa ako,
Now,
masyado
over
pa
here
akong
in this
ano.
area, I'm gonna build the pool. It's gonna be epic.
Mabait.
I better get started. First, I want to do this.
Mabait in the
Seal
sense
it up
na
with glass.
purely eskwela, bahay, eskwela, bahay, eskwela, bahay. Ano on, kapag may free time ako nun,
Yeah,
yun na yung
right
ano. Uwi pa rin naman ako nun nasa oras. Pero kapag free time ko ng ganun, meron na akong ano,
Is that good?
hidden adventure.
Sweet, it worked. Now for the main attraction. I'll have this line of white blocks act as the side of a giant pool.
Ay,
I
sorry
should
kung
add
may
some steps.
humahawak sa'yo na go.
Halimbawa,
Tama, parang may humahawak sa'yo.
Time to use my
halimbawa ang
bucket.
dismissal,
If I
ganun
put
lang.
the water diagonally
Hindi,
like
12 o'clock.
this, it'll fill the pool with
Pero
water really
dismissal na
quickly.
namin 10 o'clock, wala na kaming gagawin din ng hapon.
Filling in water diagonally makes it a lot faster
Lalabas
and
na kami
easier.
ng eskwelahan nun.
The pool is done.
Magala
Next
na
up,
kami
my
ng
vision
mga
wouldn't be
kaibigan.
complete without a place to rest
Pero
my
hindi
head by
naman
the
ako bago
pool.
mag-12
I'll
o'clock.
put the bed first and build around that. I think I'll go all out on this bedroom.
Ano yung mga ginagawa?
Something like this.
Nakikisama ako sa kanila,
Line it with wood.
nakikisama sa
I
kwentuhan.
can put some bookshelves on the headboard. That way I can read in bed.
Kung sa may
There's
burn
nothing
house,
more relaxing than that.
Oo. Punta kami
Okay,
rin sa may
I'll put
kampayan
up some
namin
torches so I don't
computer
strain
shop,
my
sa may
eyes
mod
while
shop.
reading. Then I'll
Right
complete it with a
Wala
step
na
at the
yun
foot
eh.
of the bed. That
Mod
does it.
shop.
Wow,
Yung
this turned out
coffee.
great. One more thing I
May
just
nangyari
thought
pa
of.
dun sa
I
mod
might
shop
want
na
to heat up here.
yung
I'm envisioning a
isang
dining
kaibigan
area.
namin, sinampal
I'll
ng
make myself a
nobya niya.
dining table
Katabi ko pa siya.
with some comfortable chairs.
Bakit daw?
Nag-away sila. Naglalaro sila ng Rose Survival, barilan. Multiplayer na laro. Ako noon, sumasa naman ako sa kanila na nakikinig lang ako ng music.
Okay,
Kasi wala pang internet noon eh.
now it's all sealed up.
Hindi
I'm
ako ng
going to
music,
open
kung
the
kaya nanonood
chamber
ako
door.
ng
The
palabas sa
bigger the
YouTube.
better. This is
Mamaya
perfect.
pumasok siya. Oh.
That's really nice. With final inside bedroom slash living room.
Gulit akong gano'n, sinampal!
This is awesome.
Si Ethan,
Now,
sinampal si
even if
Marinel.
the zombies sense the world into chaos, any fortunate soul staying in my security house will be living a life of
Gulat
luxury.
kami. Nagulat din yung mga nasa likuran namin na naglalaro. Natigil yung murahan eh.
Now it's time to add some security to my security house. Our first tool to
Bakit daw?
reinforce
Ano
it is
yung
a
reason
personal
ng
favorite
paaway
of
Hindi
mine.
nag-awayan silang
Lasers.
dalawa.
What's safer and
Tapos
cooler than
nag-walk out si
that?
Marinel.
This should be a
Ay,
Sinundan ni Aidan, di na bumalik
These are
si Aidan.
important for a
So,
solid
grabe si
security
Aidan.
system.
the
A
next
single
day, ano?
zap from one of these bad boys and it's a full-on zombie barbecue.
Away, yata yung dalawa.
They should be
Hindi
perfect for
pumasok si
protecting the
Aidan
house from
ng
zombies.
ano.
I'll surround the whole place with a laser fence.
Eh?
Nothing will be able to cross through these.
Really?
It's way too strong. Right there.
Lunes pumasok.
This last set.
Ano na mo, bakit nawala ka ng 3 araw? Nakisapir ka.
So, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
Wednesday yun.
All right. Check these guys
Sipan din
out.
naman eh.
They're the
Piran
best
din
way to
naman siya.
protect
no?
yourself
Kasi
and your base.
Wednesday, Thursday,
Nothing
Friday,
will ever be able to get close. But still, I have a feeling this
Pag
might
intrams
not
pa
be
lang
enough.
ginagawa.
I need to keep adding to my ultimate security system.
Kaya nga.
Alam mo
Here's
naman,
another
ito, diba?
idea. I'll use laser rifles and energy cells as my next line of defense.
Hindi siya kasali sa intra.
This goes here,
Kaya nga,
and
ang
that goes
pero
there.
nag-away talaga yung
Then this on top. Yeah,
Kaya kung hindi
nice.
talaga ako
I've
pumapasok
installed a
kapag
laser
ka-intra.
rifle turret.
Nag-break.
Now I'll load it up with energy cells. This is a
Ayun?
good idea.
Iba na yung
Nice, it's done.
Bebe
The
niya?
yung
ultimate
bebe niya
turret.
ngayong college.
Time for a demonstration.
Joke lang.
Let's
Basta
say a witch
kaklase niya
tries
rin sa
walking up to the house.
sa-
The turret will activate automatically and start firing the laser rifle at the witch. See?
kung ano yung
It's
galing ko,
super
tapos galing pa
powerful.
yun.
With enough turrets on the wall, the zombies
Huh?
won't stand a chance.
Gusto niya
They'll be
pasapan ng isang
fried
taon.
before
So,
they know what's
graduate ako
happening.
ng 26 siya,
With a
batch
huge horde
27.
of zombies coming, I'd like to be able to shave down the
Kasi
numbers
natigil
as
ng
much as
trabaho ng-
possible before they
natigil
get too close to the
mag-aaral ng
house. Wow, this is awesome.
Barkada ko yun.
Now for the
Mataba pa
entrance.
siya sa akin kesa
I
mo.
think I'm going to switch out the turrets for something a little
Yung
more
payat, yun yung
substantial.
payat. Ako lang yung
Since
mataba.
this is one of the entrances to the house, I'll start by making a
Ano yung
path
pag
leading
nag-point
up to it.
nagkita kami
In
dalawa,
one sec.
mas siksik pa siya kaysa sa akin.
There we go. This is looking good. Now there are no lasers right here. I'll make the turret much, much stronger. How about something like this? A nuclear death ray rifle. I
Naiigil
have a
kami
feeling
ngayon.
that'll do the trick.
Ilang kami mga barkada niya. Ano, napatahimik kami.
First you place the weapon, then the ammo.
Katabi ko pa siya.
All done. Now the perimeter is finished. I used lasers and powerful turrets to build a wall. That wraps it up for the exterior defenses. But I'm a bit of a worrywart. I want to make a plan just in case the zombies somehow break through.
Tatandaan ko pa na maigil yun. Kwan.
I think I have
Pang
just the
number 3
idea.
ako na monitor.
I'll put some bodyguards on the first floor. In the unlikely event that something passes through the lasers, I want something to protect me. And another one? Perfect.
Kevin.
Yeah, I think I'll build this next
Katabi ko
one using
mismo eh.
more quartz blocks.
Kulang ko talagang alam mo yung kwan. Pagpansin kami talagang bakat yung
Nagmar?
I'll place some
Oh!
bodyguards into the top.
Ang lakas. As in, pop.
There we go.
Talagang
Just like this.
Aray.
Now the last part. Is this right?
I can
Time to extend the redstone circuit.
pinag-awayan sila.
Hook it up. The lever
Pinagtampuran
goes
sila.
on the end here, and when I pull it, it transforms all of these iron blocks into iron golems. They're super powerful bodyguards.
The week
If
after,
anything can protect this house from zombies,
Tawa nga ako
they
eh.
can.
Oh, ayos pa naman kayo. Oh, ayos na kami.
Actually, my security house
Di
is
ba po?
almost finished.
Di ba may
I
tawagan
have
ng boom?
one more thing.
Oo naman.
Ah,
Oo
yun
naman.
pala.
Oo naman po.
It'll be my last resort.
Alam mo,
I
baka
have absolutely no other choice.
kaibigan mo na
This'll
to.
be it.
Baka na rin may pagkabuhan yun eh.
I'm gonna build the last
Tapos
mechanism on the roof.
bumanat naman si King Sayas.
First, the
Bale
TNT.
ng gago, basta gagong-gago lang para sa'yo.
This is how to build the final escape mechanism.
Eh.
This goes in the
Ano,
middle.
nag-break sila. Na-
Boo!
Boo! Boo! Ah! Boo! Buang!
And the corners.
Bakit?
Sabi
Ano na
ko,
dahilan
yeah.
mo
Hindi
nag-break?
ko alam kung bakit mo.
Hindi, ano na dahilan bakit nag-break?
Okay,
May call.
now for a button
Third
right
party.
here. I'll finish it up with a ring of redstone dust
High
around the
school kami yan,
perimeter. All
Third
right,
part.
it's officially done. Time for us to
Third
test it out.
part.
Let's go.
Party nga.
Sino yung third party?
Whoa!